So we are here at Driven Workspaces for Spencer's shop. I wasn't in town, so my front lip finally came in, and I had Spencer come by to pick it up for me. So we're here to pick it up. Finally, my car will be complete. What up?
Yo.
What's good? Berg Marketing.
What's up? We got car parts for you.
You have a gift for me?
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
These guys just went to the track without me.
Yeah.
So bummed I couldn't make it.
But I got you a gift.
Hopefully this one lasts.
I know. Well, the last one I lost wasn't exactly my fault. Because someone had gone off, brought a bunch of dust onto the track. It was either slam on my brakes, which is never a good idea because then the guy behind me could ram me, or I could just keep going, which I did. I just happened to miss the track when I kept going, so I ended up going off the track, broke my front lip off. But even then, that's better than like rear-ending someone, because then my whole front end would be
True.
So this is from Joe Composites. This is like probably the most aggressive splitter available for the older generation.
Is this the same one that you had like last time?
It's the same one.
Oh, okay.
I know. I hate spending money on things I already had.
But like it was broken, so.
It was broken, so what else can I do, you know?
Yeah.
Like technically I could have built a new splitter, but with building the meal prep business and stuff, I don't have time. Everyone always asks, why do you carry a backpack? Like, you never know what you're gonna need. So, I mean, you can see it's pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
So like a lot of front lips, they'll have like holes and stuff in them, and if they're not going to brakes or like have some form of ducting, they're kind of a waste. So like that's why you see like race cars, like the whole front is just like flat. I mean, that's pretty light.
Yeah, like you were carrying the boxes and that thing. Oh, dude, what?
Yeah, it's like a pound, bro.
Yeah.
That's legit.
If
It's crazy how just this little bit of fiberglass can make the car look so much better.
Gotcha.
I'm excited. We gotta go snap this thing on so I could drive the car again.
So when are we gonna go install this right here?
I mean, we could probably do it in a little bit. I just have to run by my shop first and then we can go put it on.
What do you have to do at the shop?
I have to get the doors primered and ready for paint.
Gotcha.
Because we're doing the whole construction. We're doing the flooring, the walls, painting the doors. So I'm going to be doing all that myself.
When you say the shop, what is this place?
So that's for my meal prep company.
Got it.
So right now we're using a rental kitchen, but the business is growing, so we got to build our own kitchen. All right, let's box this up and then we can head to the kitchen. Perfect.
Nice.
Like a glove.
Alright, I'll meet you at the shop.
All right.
You barely just got the keys, right?
I just got the keys last Friday. Already started working on it. She ain't much, but it'll do. The warehouse is big though. Pretty good size.
This is a good length.
Yeah. I mean, the whole constructing the whole kitchen. There's gonna be all fridges on this side, all the cooking stuff on this side, and then like all the storage in the back. So one fridge just came in today. That's like one of, I think I have 4 coming. We'll have 1 freezer and 3 more fridges. So right now we're gonna mask off the doors so I could primer it, and I'm gonna primer the doors because I'm gonna do these black, like the frame and the doors. I think that'd be sick. I'm doing a fresh coat of white paint, and I'm doing gray floors.
Nice.
So I wanted that like modern home look. Oh, you see the paint flying off? I think that's how it ended up in my hair. I'm just getting gray hairs from working on this. We're done. For now. That's just the primer.
When are you gonna paint?
I'm gonna paint when it dries, hopefully. I'm gonna go home, install the front lip. Then I gotta work some more, go to the gym. I'll probably stop here after the gym and then lay down the paint. Right, here it is, finally. You're gonna see how much this transforms the car. And then
There you go.
now it looks complete. How much better does it look?
You know, after seeing it with it on and off, definitely looks better with it on.
It looks proper now.
Yeah.
Before, I'm sure people were like, what's wrong with that car? Like, trust me, I know. I didn't like looking at it either.
Oh yeah. Much better.
Now we could actually do a full breakdown build video so you guys get to know all the parts that are in the car. There's some stuff in the suspension, brakes. Pretty much we'll go over like all the mods I have done in the motor and what you can expect for power. And like what each mod maybe does for the car. And then all the interior bits is all stripped out, and I do have the CAE shifter in there, and then there's other stuff I had to do to the steering wheel, the seats, and yeah. And the custom wing set. We'll go over that too.
Cool.
So stay tuned for that one.